To give access to a Confluence page, you may need to manage the permissions for that specific page or its parent space. Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to the page. Open the Confluence page you want to share. Open the page restrictions. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page to open the options menu. Select restrictions. Set restrictions. In the restrictions dialog, you can choose who can view or edit the page. No restrictions. Anyone with access to the space can view or edit the page. Viewers only. Only specified users or groups can view the page. Editing restrictions. Only selected users or groups can edit the page. Add users or groups. If you choose to restrict access, enter the usernames or groups in the appropriate field. You can search for users or groups by typing their names. Save changes. Once you have configured the desired access levels, click Apply or Done to save your changes. Notify users. Optionally, inform the users that now they have access to the page, especially if you've added them specifically for this page.